Welcome to in front of me Motorola Moto G52, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press the power key button here on the right side of your phone, we can launch camera app. If you want to just switch the switcher, for example, to use the Google Assistant, we should open the settings app and then scroll down to the system. After that, click to the gestures and tap the double press power key. Now we can switch camera app to launch Google Assistant, for example. And now just by double press and power key, we can see that the Google Assistant is activated. If you want to go back, just turn back the camera app, just switch it to launch the camera, and now we can see that the camera app is turned on successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.